na mbere na kuga no mwake korwo gĩathĩrĩria na gũthikĩrĩria mũingĩ itemi rĩa gũkorwo magĩtacũkia makinya matiganĩte maya magĩthiaga na mbere nĩ atĩ kũrũmĩrĩra ikinya rĩa igooti inene gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ gũkorwo rĩkĩrũgamia ndereti ya watho wa kigina kana gũkorwo rĩkĩrũgamia ndereti ya watho wa kigina nĩ rionekaniite gũkorwo ĩkĩrehe kana gũkũrũmũra mawoni matiganĩte na makĩria kuona atĩ ĩkoretwo ĩgĩtanywo kũhũthĩrwo nĩ thirikali ya President William Ruto na mbatoni yothe ya Kenya Kwanza. Rĩu nĩ hotete kwaranĩria na wakili na ũrĩa ũgũtũte kana ũrĩa ũtũtathaũrĩire ũhoro wĩgiĩ rĩu ikinya rĩrĩa rĩgũkorwo rĩgĩtacũkio kuona atĩ harĩa hanakinya rĩu atĩ igoti nĩ rĩarũgamia ndereti ĩno na mũhaka tũhote kũmenya rĩu ningĩ ikinya rĩrĩa rĩgũkorwo rĩgĩtacũkĩrio kana ikinya rĩu rĩngĩ rĩrĩa rĩgũkorwo rĩgĩtacũkio nĩ rĩrĩkũ na maya nĩmo mawoni ma wakili.
You remember we had the finance bill that was debated in Parliament, and then it was approved with some amendments. And those amendments, once they were approved by Parliament, they were forwarded to the President for him to assent the bill into law. So as we speak now, the Finance Act is the current financial, or rather the document that's regulating finance management in Kenya. It amends now the Finance Act 2022. Looking at the orders that were issued by Justice Mugure Dande, it means that the act is now suspended, suspended. That means now what is in place right now is the Finance Act of 2022. Finance Act 2023 is not operational, and also it has been suspended. That was the first order. The second order, that is the prayer number 2, that was also allowed, was that the government is prohibited from enforcing the act until the matter is given further directions, which will be, I believe, on the 5th of July. So now the onus of proving that they had been served lies with the petitioner. So what in this case I believe Okiya Mtata and the other petitioners, what they need to prove is by the time that the directive was being issued, they had already served upon the order upon EPRA and the rest. Because basically what we have here are interim orders. That is, the court was of the opinion that there are issues that needs to be addressed or needs to be canvassed by both parties. So therefore interim orders were issued to the effect that the act is suspended pending further directions. You note that he was directed, Okiya Mtata and the other petitioners were directed to serve the order on the respondents by yesterday. I believe that was done, and then they're supposed to file. The respondents are supposed to file their replying affidavits by 4th of July. That means now by 5th of July, the matter will be coming up for directions on the hearing of the application. So I believe by then the court has two options: either to revoke or to discharge the orders that were issued, or to have the same extended until such further date that the court may deem fit.